Imagine a future where 18-wheelers roar down the highway with no one behind the wheel. Sounds like a scene from a science fiction movie, right? However, with advancements in artificial intelligence, this could soon become our reality. The trucking industry, the lifeblood of the global economy, faces numerous challenges, from driver shortages to increased operational costs, and not forgetting the safety concerns that always loom large. Yet the dawn of artificial intelligence has shown a glimmer of hope in addressing these issues. Firstly, consider the persistent problem of driver shortages. Recruiting and retaining skilled drivers is a constant challenge for the trucking industry. However, AI-powered autonomous trucks, which are no longer confined to the realm of imagination, may be the answer. By taking over the wheel, AI can ensure that goods continue to move across the highways, irrespective of the availability of human drivers. Next, let's turn to operational efficiency. With fuel costs rising and delivery timelines tightening, the trucking industry is under intense pressure to optimize operations. Enter AI, with its ability to analyze vast amounts of data and provide insights on optimal routes, fuel-efficient driving, and predictive maintenance. AI doesn't just make trucking more efficient, it redefines efficiency. Safety, another significant challenge, stands to gain immensely from AI. Real-time monitoring systems powered by AI can detect driver fatigue, reckless driving, and even predict potential mechanical failures. These systems can alert the driver, or in the case of autonomous trucks, take corrective action, thereby preventing accidents and saving lives. Of course, the integration of AI in trucking brings its own set of challenges. Data security and privacy, legal implications of autonomous vehicles, and the transition of the existing workforce are all valid concerns. Nonetheless, with robust regulations, secure technology, and thorough training programs, these hurdles can be overcome. To summarize, the transformative power of AI in the trucking industry is undeniable. It offers solutions to numerous challenges, from driver shortages to operational efficiency and safety concerns. While it brings new challenges, with proper management, these too can be addressed. The future of trucking isn't just about big rigs and open roads. It's about data, algorithms, and machine learning. It's about autonomous vehicles that can navigate our highways more efficiently and safely than ever before. In the end, the question isn't whether AI will revolutionize the trucking industry, but how soon. As we stare into the future, it's clear that the road ahead is paved with artificial intelligence. Your interaction is a crucial part of our community, so go ahead and drop a comment, smash that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to keep up with our latest videos. Stay tuned, folks.